Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. So we have everything put into the YouTube random comment picker. We have 293 unique comments. So let's see who wins the Yarn and Goodie giveaway. Now the winner must email me. My email is in the description box. You have 5 days to claim your prize. And if you don't, well, I'll have to draw another winner. All right, so let's see who it is. You had to use the word cotton in your comment. Let's go. Oops, winner, Lori Sloan. I use a lot of cotton for amigurumi and have made a few bags in cotton also. Congratulations, Lori. All right, so if you're out of Canada, I will need your phone number for the custom forms. Congratulations. Thank you everyone for participating.